I don't know nothing lean about me. Yeah, so I don't give a pound attack the moment I like Bududu and gay and wave. You never hear. The moment I go in a female DM and like go and wave, yeah man, I one way. I'm like show you certain vibes and it's like you left me upon unseen.
I not read your message, Junior. I not get to see your message, babes.
I wish Molly this.
You see your Molly,
Look, turn on the camera.
Junior.
No, turn on the camera, cause come like me a fire my gun and me a miss. I wish Molly this.
Junior, I don't understand. Yeah, me a text, but me and you see me and sleep on life with the other woman. We don't understand.
No, but what you going on? You meet me that way, you know. I saw you come boy, you come see me and start my show, you know. I saw me always like a ray with the female. Come like every bumbuckler woman me go about I same drama.
Junior, take time to talk to me, eh? Yes, you come here talk to you? Talk to
me. So me no want you know say you get my dark now, cause everywhere me go my fire my gun is so like a black me fire.
So I accept it with everybody?
Eh?
We must accept it with every other girl? That
I never tell you that. I never tell you that.
Girl, that make me a war, Junior.
Oh, I want we know for go about war when we are war with female.
I'ma tell you my mad in a me lick out your glass and you're gonna kill me.
No, cause yeah, it sound like you start around prof.
Yeah, I'm crazy, so talk to me. Me I make you know I'm crazy, so you have to talk to me from now, though.
That I gonna make me love you more. Yeah, cause crazy for crazy, you know. I'm crazy and crazy.
When me I really start go to bed and so I start playing my brain, we lick out your gas, me lick out your window and tear down the place. Where you work hard for.
And you know it sounds serious though, cause you show me how it would have played out and I know it got relationship come with ups and downs, conflict, yeah, where we are gonna argue or whatsoever because yeah, certain things where we don't agree about. So what you are going? Me I go just see I know say I'm Molly that. Cause yeah, me don't play them game there, baby. A dead man game that you tell me about.
That's why I say you have to go kill me. I'm tired. Say man I lock me up for the same thing.
Yeah, so that me I tell you, just bypass it. Go on like me never come boy you.
Stop that. Me you can't work out things.
No man, me you can't work man, cause you sound evilous.
Me not evil, Junior, but then if you, why you go play with
them? Cause why you have to choose for go mash out my car glass if me and you Ray or you hear see a female jump the fence or something? Why you not even try to some bleach for my underpants them and call it that? But you want to go as far as mash up my car?
Yeah, you try the matches out of the door and catch it on fire. Which one you want? Talk to me.
No, you do matches. That's on, yeah, you can't, yeah. Prefer throw some bleach on your underpants them. Cause I know you go buy back them. You get me? Yeah.
That come on. Me I tell you how I feel, Junior. I'm mad when I'm upset. Right now you're there live and me and you war, me all mash up the phone and if I feel like I go buy it back tomorrow. That's some state, Junior.
Yo boy, you still have me right, you're so confused, you know. So you don't plan to give me a glance.
Junior, come in now, me I go text on WhatsApp. When I end the live, me I go video call. And
you know that me about to do a while ago in my life. Cause my day I feel like I just want somebody to talk to on my phone one-on-one. So
yeah.
Listen now.
So me I go
listen now. You know if I play a draft?
Yes, daddy.
Eh?
Yeah, babes.
Alright then baby, when I move, you move.
And you take away for take.
What that?
And you take away for take.
Alright then, that's a woman now go pet. Yeah?
Okay, baby.
Molly them, love you.
Love you too, bro.
Chat, no for them a chat, them love chat. Bro, me not like talk. Me not talk based off a she, but most of them dog, them just come here and chat dog. You see when the thing get serious, for we tough up the thing, like a laps, them a laps dog. See you know me stay so boobs and array with like a one female. Me show na look thing. See? Cause bro, A man me name in a dog and me can't go around that, you know, as me say me thing a work. You hear that? Yeah, dog. Say moment me see certain female and them look certain way. Yeah, dog. Me a go like boodoodoo. Alright, me stay so rare with a one female scene and I give her one female a look talk, which is the same female, you know. So you know me stay so boops and I show the female say, link up.
Hi. Rastafari. We gonna say Rastafari. Rastafari. Everyone, Rastafari. We gonna do it. It's my brain, okay? It's my friend. We gonna say Rastafari. Everyone tap. My friend, let us start with skin send a gift. All of us, okay? Everyone please Almia. Everyone please welcome and come and support me. You tap the screen, you send a gift, we share the live. First the gift double, first the gift double, first the gift double. Everyone tap the screen, everybody tap the screen, send a gift double. My friend, first the gift double. Have you seen this one? First the gift double, first the gift double. Come and help me, come and support me. I will appreciate the little that you have, the big that you have, I'll appreciate. The little that you have, the big that you have, I'll appreciate. Come and support me. Let's do together, my friend. Let's do together, all of us. Everyone tap and send a gift. Tap and drop a gift. Tap and drop a gift.
Not so why you
Tap and drop a gift. Tap and drop a gift. Tap and drop a gift.
Hey, gods. Hey, Nads, you see you Nads? You nah Miss L. No, you Nads. Cause that way you type alone, sure say you laugh. You Nads. You know? Nads. That alone where you type. Sure say you laugh.
Don't help me. Everybody help me, my friends. I'm requesting all of us to come and help me. Come and support me. Let us tap the screen, send a gift. Let us unlock the triples. Let us unlock the triples. Let us unlock the triples. I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready, my friends. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come and support me. We are going to start our week with a lot of energy. Rastafari. Jamaica. Jamaica. Let's do it together, my friends. All of us, everybody. Let's do together. One gift. My friend, one gift, one gift. Everybody send a gift. Let's do it. My friend, one gift, one gift, one gift. One gift. Anyone with a gift? Anybody with a gift? Anyone with one gift? Let's do together, my friends, so that we can unlock the triples. Thank you so much, Prophets. And Prophets. Let's continue with that energy, my friends. All of us. Send a gift triple. Everybody, let's do together, my friend. We have the triples here with us. We have the triples here with us. Everybody send a gift triple. Let's do together, my friend. Boy, let's do together, Prophet. Let's do it together. Triple. Rastafari. Everybody, let's do it. Kijamaica style. Triple, my friend. Let's do together, all of us. Everyone, Zoe Mike, let's do together, my friend. Jamaica style. Triple. My friend, drop any gift that you have triple. Let's do together, all of us. Everybody, let's do it together, my friends, all of us. By the way, let me bring some music.
Money gun there.
Let's do it
Chat,
together.
beguna money gun now. Shady Pie, thank you very much. Chat, beguna something. My side, CTV 2 Rose, we appreciate that just the same. Chano, after this,
Everybody, let's do it together. Rastafari. Rastafari. Let's do it together, my friend. We tap the skin, send a gift. Hey, surely, who can even surprise me with that kitchen lion? Who can do that? I miss that lion, but I miss the sounds of lions here. We're gonna say prophetess. Let's continue with that energy, prophetess. Everyone, we tap the screen, share the live, and we drop the gift, okay? All of us. Everybody tap the screen, share the live, and drop a gift. Tap the screen, share the live, and drop a gift. Tap the screen, share the live, and drop a gift. All of us, Rastafari. Jamaica style.
I went to Rastafari. I must call Rastafari.
Rastafari, Jamaica. Guys, everyone tap and send a gift. Everybody tap and send a gift. Everyone tap and send a gift. 59, 58, 57, 56 seconds. 55, 54, 53, 52, 51 seconds. Are we together? Are we together? All of us, my friends, everyone tap the screen, send a gift, tap the screen, send a gift. Shit. My friend, the man is coming. The man is coming. My friend, let us snipe. Everybody, let's do it.
Lulu, thank you.
My friend, let us snipe. That for the 3 to 20 seconds. My friend, snipe. Help me to snipe. Let us snipe together, my friends. Everybody send a gift, drop a gift, drop a gift, drop a gift. My friend, let's do it together, all of us. Everybody send a gift, drop a gift, drop a gift. Hey, my friend, send a gift. Let's do it. 15, 14, 13. Who can snipe for me? Anybody to snipe? Anyone to snipe? 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Guy. Jamaica, Provo. Bulla.
My brother.
Yes.
Bless.
Be blessed. One
I'm
more.
going away.
One more.
Chat, you send request. Yeah, female them send request now. You know them female them move so shy, brother. I shy them shy or afraid them afraid. The female them a shy or no shy or afraid or no afraid. No, talk it truth. I like when people just be honest. You not afraid of me? Imagine me do a video and say when me touch the road, girl a scream. The people them say, the woman them a scream because them afraid. Them say, oh, some love them people a dog. Hey, them people are tough in a dog. Yo, the people them say the woman them a scream because them afraid of me. How me look? See if I follow them people a dog, Jano. People them can diss me still boy. Diss me still boy, you know. Chat, you no send a request. The female them send a request. The female them send a request.
Hello, good night, Junior.
Good night.
How are you?
Turn on your camera from there. Me can tell you how are me.
Okay. Jesus. I don't really use TikTok, you know. Let me see. Just a minute. Oh, camera. I was looking to go to bed.
Yeah, turn on the camera and then me can tell you how are me.
Alright.
Yeah, turn on the camera.
I click on the take it.
Yeah, hurry up.
Oh, Jesus. I click on the camera.
That device there, come like, come, hurry up, man. I need to see the features behind that device.
Alright, may I click it?
So how you take so long? How we are the transform?
No, because I don't know about TikTok much. Hold on, let me see if I can get my son to get it on.
Sound like you never have on
Yes,
the clothes
sir.
and you're looking at the corner there so you put on your panty and you
No.
look
Pashan. Just tell me. I get TikTok boss to join the live, but I don't know if I turn on the camera. You can come do it for me, please? You know,
No.
like tell me I watch your Junior, but I always want to come for your live.
No, baby, but that your
Now,
truth.
I get to turn it on. Wait. All right, I click on the camera. All right. camera. Come on. Maybe me don't have much followers. Oh,
No,
press
man,
save.
something
Oh,
right.
somebody said press save. Wait.
Yeah, click save.
Oh,
Yeah, click.
see there.
Save?
Good night.
Jesus Christ.
I was going to my
Mama compliment your arm right away. You have a nice smile.
I was looking to go to my bed.
You just I saw you look nice when you just get up out of bed.
No, I hear watching you live all along.
For real, man. Honestly, you are so beautiful. But I don't want to sound rude.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want sound disrespectful.
Okay.
Out of everything, I notice you have a ring.
I'm married. My husband is on my page.
Huh?
I'm married. My husband is on my page. Yes, I am married.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And you run up in a monster. You're not afraid. I take you away from your husband.
So just always watch your live, and I think that you're funny. From a longer time when you used to live at the first house, and you used to talk some story. And one time you talk a live when like somebody back you up in a wholesale and some guy and knife and how you run. A long time I watch and I send you a gift
man.
couple times before.
For real,
From them
man.
long,
I
long
realize
time
something that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
My first youth, me I get them time there, you know. And me and my baby mother got town, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And I walk past one man where I'm a neighbor, you know. Wish me not know him a pre me, you know.
That's
I'm going
true.
to a store with my baby mother, you know. A real talk, yeah, making a nice lady.
From them
I'm
long, long
talk you
time
back.
me I watch you. And my name was actually Anita's Melissa. You just say, thank you, Melissa. You used to say that. But me change it now to time.
Yeah, man.
From them long, long time there. I think that you're funny. I am naturally funny. You do it effortless. You be yourself, and that's good about you.
Okay, then thank you very much. I guess like, yeah, you work the time. Yeah, you work the time the moment like me even accept you upon the live. I guess like, yeah, I like how you even combo this and just like keep it smooth. Yeah, but me need not expect no better. As me said, the moment like you join the live, yeah, me just need to just tell you as it is. You are such a nice female, so just go and big up yourself and take
Thank
care
you,
just
Sonia.
the same, okay?
Okay, and do good, and to remember to go to the embassy. Remember, it's triple in that train you. I think
Alright,
you're a
man.
lucky person, so keep trying. Just,
For real, man.
I think you should go for it though.
Yeah, honestly, me I gotta do that though.
As I
Honestly,
definitely think you would definitely do good. You don't have to say much for people's spirit to take on to you, so I think you should take it serious. Just try it.
Alright.
You're a trying young man and you have your kids, and I think you would do good.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, I guess like my last words. I don't even know what to say now, but you make my night, you make me feel good. Yeah, the two little things them way you say, I guess it mean a lot. Okay? So
Yeah.
just go on the way you have to do and take care.
All right. Good night. Bye. I'll watch your live. Now you know it's time if you see me send any requests.
Okay then, okay.
Alright.
Me I go
Bye-bye.
follow you. Me I follow you.
Okay.
Me I follow your page.
Thanks for the follow too.
A long time you watch me for sure. A couple years that well
Even
nice.
tell my
lady.
son, cause my son big, so me even tell my son that story there. Even before me get him for movie or come live with me, me even
Yes.
tell him about it. I say, you know, say the guy TikTok boss. And you know me that be like when he used to be in Jamaica, I say be careful where you going on because you know say this. Me even tell my son that same story too,
Yeah.
which is a real life thing.
For real, man, nice lady.
So be safe and just continue to make people laugh because you don't know how much people you make be out here and happy. You know, people coming from work or people are gonna go out in bed them lay down there, them watch you, and you're naturally funny. You're naturally.
Man, nice lady.
Don't pay attention to the negative stuff. You're naturally funny. You do it effortless.
Art of love, and we give thanks. I just this we always want. Positive vibes, motivation. You get me? I guess like I know that do for a fact say. I bring laughter to people, I make people smile and all of that. As you know, a long time we there here. Yeah, and we there here so long and people gravitate to it and like take on to it. We know we have to do something. Yeah, that weird.
You are doing a lot of great stuff. I like when you say, let me try, you can imitate it sometime in my house. You say, I like, no! Girl bathroom. Yeah.
Alright. No, that is it, man.
Girl bathroom. Girl bathroom. All of the girl, just pack up your something
just
now.
go and big up yourself, mom, baby.
All right.
Love and love
So
alone,
good night.
okay?
Bye.
All right.
Yeah.
Love.
All right.
Yeah, man, that is slang a road, man. The moment people see me in a road, yeah, that thought that them greet me with, you know. Yeah, man, so me never left out that thought there. Long time we have said that. Long time. Years. But them suck me and my life, bro. Them suck me and make me just continue, dog. Continue push. You get me? Yeah, when people can like say these things, yeah, dog, it mean a lot. It just show me say, yo, Junior, watch what I go on now. No matter where people come and say, dog, you have people out there will like really love you and tune into your thing. We always look out like for see my life or see to video, whichever way. So me just always know say a positivity and me not too like, yeah, but what you go on most of the time as you know. Yeah, that me make like the negativity comment them like draw me out and get the best of me. But it end up work. It end up working a way where it show me true colors. You get me and show say alright then me's this kind of person where you get me? Yeah, so I just search for work. Yeah, I just search for play though. But my love you, bro. Over years, bro. Me I do this, dog. Yeah, dog. Not just for the likes. Not just for money, bro. God know, dog. Bro. Words even dead.